I can tell you guys, it ain't always been cupcakes and rainbows. This is the story and the highlight reel of the past failures. All you can do is learn from them and move on.
Looking in the rearview at the man I used to be, running 90 miles an hour, wild, blind and free. I was drinking way too heavy, pouring whiskey on the pain, chasing women and the good times like a runaway train. Buried myself in equipment loans and heavy truck payments, burning out the candle, running completely out of patience. Yeah, this is my highlight reel of failure, the hard lessons learned on the concrete floor, trying to build a dream behind the metal door, at imagination fabrication, learning the hard way, but I wouldn't trade the scars for an easier day. No, I wouldn't trade the scars. I hired way too fast and I fired way too slow, carrying the dead weight with nowhere to go, busting my knuckles just to lose money on a job, watching the bank account drop like a rock, promised completion deadlines that I just couldn't meet, running on empty, dragging my boots on the street. Yeah, this is my highlight reel of failure, the hard lessons learned on the concrete floor, trying to build a dream behind a metal door, at imagination fabrication, learning the hard way, but I wouldn't trade the scars for an easier day. But out of all the stupid things I ever put myself through, the absolute worst one, yeah, I swear it's true. I took my reliable, heavy-duty work truck and traded it in for a Corvette. Thank God that's in the past.